Hey there, folks. Today, let's unravel the importance of a benefit management plan in project management. Picture this: projects are more than just tasks, they're about the benefits they bring. Before projects kick off, there's something called the benefit management plan that's quite essential. In simpler terms, it's like the project's roadmap for reaping benefits. It outlines how the project's success will be measured, what benefits it's meant to deliver, and how to make sure those benefits are achieved. According to PMP OK7, it's the blueprint ensuring that the project delivers its intended value. Think of it as a detailed map. IT sets the criteria for success, defines what benefits the project aims to deliver, and how these benefits will be tracked and realized. Let's dig into an example to understand this better. Consider a company planning to implement a new software system to streamline its operations. The benefit management plan for this project would outline the key performance indicators, KPIs, that determine success, may be improved. Efficiency, reduced errors, or faster turnaround times. It spells out the specific benefits expected from this new system, like time saved, cost reductions, or enhanced customer satisfaction. This plan also charts out how these benefits will be measured and who's responsible for tracking and ensuring they're achieved. The plan delves into strategies to maximize benefits, perhaps through staff training, process improvements, or leveraging new technology. For our software system example, it might include staff training sessions, phased implementation, or continuous monitoring to ensure the benefits are realized. The benefit management plan plays a crucial role in keeping the project aligned with its intended outcomes, ensuring that the investments made translate into tangible benefits for the company. Hope this sheds light on the benefit management plan's significance. Stick around for more insights, and don't forget to hit